No, for real, no,
Bumbo. Yo, fisherman. Yo, see that guy? Oh, man. Yo. Bumbo.
Don't feel like I can't go around.
Shut now, man.
Yeah, keep saying, man, I tell you what I'm going, you know.
Bumbo class. See that guy? Oh, man.
Man, come and use none of straight.
That man says this is better.
Nah, better, I'm not really better than that.
Look at that.
I don't like the game.
Yeah, guys, you see the face, you know what time it is. You know, the river, you know. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Robinson Family TV, you know. First night vlog, you know, guys. Near the river, you know. You see me, I say? So I don't know it going on, man. If you like, share, and subscribe to the channel, though. Yeah, man. I go for the crayfish them in the night, yeah, though. Yeah, man. That is it. Yeah.
Oh, the bright light down, man. Phone near back now. I'll be on Facebook with my back, you know. Feel already that. And I got it that a Simpson that mix it granite. And boy just run down underneath the stone just so you know. And spooky. Hey, game face.
Lock it down. See money on it, guys. Dep on it in the night, yeah, though. Yeah, man.
Out here, man. Active.
That is it.
And subscribe up the video them, you know.
Yeah, man.
Share up the thing them, man. We active out here, man. A night catching tonight, you see it?
That is it.
Real thing. Just a go and burn a spliff and get the vibes ready.
You hear the man say? River in the night, yeah. Watch it. Man, catch already, you know. Man, now waste no time. Yeah. Come with the bucket now.
Wash out the bucket. Take out the juice some water. Wash out the bucket there. You got juice in the water now. And they're tough.
Come on, man, catch one already. Just drop them in. Give me this.
Put none on the bag, man.
Right. See, I'm cozy in the night here, guys. Swear think nobody not see me now. Dead frog.
I come active now. Come up and come go and shine the light. Go and dig up some boy. Yes. Oh, me see none. I just kill this meat, you know.
Search them out.
Search them the same time. Don't forget one of my gloves them. Buckle on the swim out, you know.
See it, man.
Pan nearby.
Panda meat.
And they come out.
And jump out.
Work with me two on them. You heard Nando? Cause crane me catch. Work with me two on them. Come.
Hmm?
I like how I'm saying.
And suppose you may come with a little flashlight. What you da do?
That's the same here, man.
Something there?
Yeah, bring through.
Double pole Wi-Fi box Joan.
Shine the light on
Yeah, your friend.
now water market, man. Come now, me.
Watch out. Mullet.
Shine it, see him.
Oh, see that? Mullet. Them turn handicap a night, man.
Okay, big mullet in a pan.
Oh, hell, the mullet make you catch him. The goose get cooked in a night, yeah.
So I have Nanda.
Nanda they way up, sir.
Go now. Well, I have a deep spot down there, so that with some deep hole, I'm going to push me around there.
Bumbo, you mess youth.
Get there and get some of them, get a little
So I don't see them flash out, man. Spooky in there, you know.
You see it, man.
Are you for use the thing good, man?
I know what to use, man. That's enough for you.
Front cover better, man. Now open it. Stop blame fan cover, man. No, for sure, man.
No fan cover do it, you know, brother. You have to have the talent. Think a fan cover music get Django and me I take Django.
Get up, which one of mullet you take?
Shine light now water on the ceiling again, please.
So we may shine the light, brother.
Yeah, they're upper top, man.
Say money to them,
Swimming in a
Swimming
brawl in
like
water.
brawl in water, brother.
Dog just looks up. Bomb and jacket one
Come
cover.
in the water in a game, so you scare walk in the water.
I'm going to be up here walking at this.
Oh, for walking, brother.
To the stone then.
Right, nothing, brother. So, push it around. You see a rum look wild, you know. Young mullet like.
It's a monster, there, man.
Jump up with the try to hold it down in the water again first, yeah. And you can see better. Then
Careful, I water with the light here. So, oh yeah. Be a bullfrog. Watch out. Come on, sir.
Okay.
Oh, mullet.
Yeah.
Give me a light now, man. Ross. See him there. In that.
Yeah, man,
See him
man, drunk, man. You get a stone
See
on
that?
it,
that him having catch him, you know.
Go. That takes time.
Hey, watch yourself on the light here. Mullet a big.
Shine it on it. Shining on it.
It's a big mesh, you know. Nah, only.
Mark, good with that, man. Watch out.
The second one.
See me in the corner, yeah? Mark, see fish in the corner, yeah?
Big mesh, you know.
The second one on that one. That's the known for it, man. Yeah.
Bumbo. Yo, fisherman. Yo, I want that bad. Yo, yeah.
What I done post?
Mark, the water of half a yarn go belong from the battery, Mark.
Oh, hold it. Yeah, water shine.
Bumbo clock, Mark, you know how much money this?
Shut down your water. Over here. You don't walk in the water.
Easy.
Come on, enjoy off this. This have me a frick.
No, up the street, I go up the street, brother, but I start from there, so go down. I so start catch go up back, man. Listen, I have to catch something. So you not catch it yet. Where are we wait for?
You ever got a river here on there now? Really nice spot like that.
Mm-hmm. You can catch you know, bro, you cut it out. No, we're not afraid.
Anything it here, you can get cut out.
man. Go up box. Go up box.
Frog them enough.
Frog them supposed to name Jungle though. Frog them supposed to name Jungle though.
Union frog?
No.
Suitcase.
Sure. Toothpaste. Take it out. Shiny.
Bombat! Look at them there.
Come no man.
So upon there, you talk about come. Nando.
Nando, where I met
Nando, I watch YouTube.
And I watch how we forget Jungle.
Wow. Oh, may I catch one there? Yeah?
So I left a fan cover.
My son come out and let us.
The fan cover in the river, man.
Yeah, but I don't know the river like here, you know. I don't want to drop on one of them fat stones here, you know. And you're more balanced than me. Might and watch your step, because back in the water in the youth. You just a step so. You follow mark.
You say just a step, so.
See where there is a buckle run up in my shoes.
Straight up there, go.
I make Nando catching cord, you know.
Catching cord, bro. Shift man to the power, you know, nice size boogie, you know.
Nah, like shoot the Django then come out 9 yeah.
Low down in the water.
Watch out. You pass already, man.
No, I'm not pass, man. Shine the light, spooky, you know. You not go too far, you know. Go shine the light in the water.
That me I
You
do.
never go too far from them spot. And then jump out, then you go too far. Come.
I think we did see him a while ago, but tomorrow.
Mullet that jump. If you jump to but it gone over here, so.
Chop big blood clot mullet here. Where you see him come?
No, run.
Just change the battery in the GoPro here since night, you know. So I'm done, so yeah. That me I say. Bumbo clot, you should have this behind it. I blunder your beer things you go out. Anytime you see mark a root up, just set the net behind the mark. Camera not there nothing. What recognize here you?
Everybody will know. Schema.
Everybody will know me, I know say I want schema. Don't you?
Nobody know you.
Soon
Think if you know, you think if you know one day night, me I put in night. Watch out. Fuck man pee. See that guys, the Django then come out in the night, you know. Blow out, nah, them no.
Play with them. Nah, miss.
Give me some of them.
Nothing, guys. One spot. Man just circulate them. Man just triangle them. Sure.
This is big.
Jungle like dirt, guys.
This is big now.
Oh,
That's the right thing.
No man, can't fit two little pounders and them come. They like all over.
Mark a block me out. Oh, the light, you. Watch out. That spooky float up. Listen, no video light, man.
Dad,
Hmm?
so they give me that light, they make me use it instead of this dull in it.
Which one?
Why you know, but
Orlando have it.
see, tell
You
me,
know,
Boom.
For what I use that, I use that. And I rain this.
Really?
No, I can't make the light away up.
right, bug waterproof, well, the back part.
But we not gonna have no light.
Put my back, man. Joe off, man. Work again.
if you don't go in there, mad man,
It a blow off, but you're not that far from how we start coming. So go breeze off so I can get my fan cover and mesh the whole part.
boy.
Kitchen don't have bumbo flat, pick up it. Kitchen don't have blood flat, pick up. You in face one, look at something for wrap around it. I'm using the back of your front machine and basics in the water now with it. Lick my foot.
GoPro, good in the
Enough,
water,
brother.
but the light, you know.
When I take out the next flight and use it. So wanna be in the phone, so wanna be in the phone. There, where you under, where you under?
None of them are no waterproof. So that
Yeah, go on.
if
Stop,
you have
stop, Joe, you know.
That light.
Gone. No, it's stop to be up for a while, you know. Turn him up there now, What again? Try him up.
What the man I see them here?
Take it out. You know me, I see them. And I must see them. Chance. Chance again.
Go and feed
Yeah, blind me eye. No, shot no water in so hard.
So I have to turn it side here, man. Ah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Regular fish. Stuff. Buckle her for a man, chang. Man, a shell out stone, you know.
And just come sit behind on me.
Wanda, come sit the front corner, bro.
Come.
You see the onion beef.
These are the hardest things to do, you know. You know that?
Yeah. Look, clean.
I'll catch you up the rest of it now. Where are you?
The angle like different, you know. No more know how him see.
Man, I grab off him, you know, like.
You mean me no must grab off and let me see it.
Watch out.
You know, all that.
Mullet one.
Come out in the water, you know.
I can go up on the.
Come out of the water, lick my foot. Bulky cell.
Man, I move like an excavator to blood clot.
The big pole and the egg, the color.
I look come and get the, buy the bun and get the bag, man. Could I wrap over the part where water are going on, man? Yeah. I see it. Hold on. Madness out for one. Battery. Okay. Battery one jump off.
Pull out the bag, brother.
Buckler. Jumbo.
I'm sure there's a fish now, but there's jungle. There's a guy.
Let you know that I'll take too long to me to short Ganga. You know the stone number to lift. if you don't know the stone.
You never hear about beginner's luck?
Tell you, you have to know the stone of a spooky cup.
You know, go on, you know, so Mark off the top now. As a beginner. Drop it yourself, you put up some here, put up some. Anyway. Ready?
Fun.
Watch out. What's that, right?
You want to put it in my video now, I can go for it.
Alright,
That's okay. That's okay. Hold back over.
Fun.
no,
Light, yeah.
Set the net, you know. Set the net. Don't lift it, don't lift it, don't lift it. Don't want me when you lift. My fan cover have to lift. I'm like a beard work, you know, I put my fan. The fan sun.
Come on. Take it.
Set the net there now. So I got to see this. Alright, set it there and punch it. Can't lift. So what those straight up put can't lift.
Yeah,
You
some
know,
little
can't
fish.
lift.
Some little fish that walk on the rest of all of them. Some small.
Set it down or something. Yeah. Come on, now take out the bucket.
No.
Set it down.
Chris Booting and the signature.
Come on, sir.
One over.
Put it in.
Watch your foot.
Shake out thing and all that. Shake it out over there.
Spooky in there. No? Watch out. You gone already.
Shake, knock out the net, brother, when the net does better. I'll be mad at them, so you stop.
keep a food you go to. No, the man can't stop the cook.
Trying to come on game face in full moon flat.
On plastic bag.
Setting it right, that's it. Setting it good. Watch out for you.
Wait.
Okay, man.
You have to go.
Yeah, man. No. You couldn't do this alone. Just make it.
Watch the steamer come off fireman box.
Go on over.
Watch it.
Then you
Come show them out on the floor.
go over this.
Come over here.
No, I couldn't do this alone. And you see, I make sure
My fan cover, I really use them. My fan cover, I use them now straight.
that may take this a better.
I'm not really better than that, brother. Take up.
You see, they have a second father. Go and take up to them. See my skin.
I'm happy, Jungle. Run up and down.
I'll fish better.
See them a go over you over here say now. Come now man.
Second time I took them too much. All in it or something. Long the pan. Big soapstone that, you know.
6 light.
Can't do that, come here video. I have to hold this careful because Mark almost killed my light a while ago.
Bang.
Bang.
No, really.
Come check here. Check around here, sir.
Yeah.
Check around here, sir, man.
If you know how the water flow, so you grab them.
What hole under that stone there, you know?
I'm going to need them. But the sun take 2 young frame and go body. But don't you know the water run dirty and come down? You have to just walk it up, make it run off first. That's what.
So man, create that, you know. Just cook it.
Just cook it. Just keep doing that. That's it, Mark. You know, so up the river I create them there. You know, up the river I create them there, they pick that down and so.
Me did say that too. The Janga them love Mark. More could one big igloo. I know I don't catch one.
Okay, give it.
So me come back down at my front cover. I see him start from up near him. We're not go so far, but from up them side there. I see me take my thick squash in the water. I start burn them here and them come out. I'm going to walk and pick them up.
Oh, you alone at it? I think I saw you deal with Janga.
Where is it?
You call me deal with Janga, easy. Easy enough, like. On the escape, you know. Break. And you see them running and down.
In a daytime, you know, see them, you say, no?
And late night, you go see them run up and down, you know. That's where you turn to go up the river, you go see beer here, the eye them pink. Enough. But 3 time to come down well late. So it's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, we down here, brother.
Oh.
You have to catch the knees, you are alone.
Yeah, so you have light.
You look a flashlight now. Right, that's a red money. Oh boy, flick on the knees, you know.
Just saying, you really catch him with the front cover.
Yeah, man. all that up in our ears. No, this.
Oh, this.
Oh, this one funny.
That won't let down.
On the come out. Seem late.
Drop this though, though.
Yes, I drop it.
I know crayfish there,
You know, you see them run back going on them shell, you know. So no, you know. So respectful, you know that. Simple as you see them,
What them do?
them different from the Django, them just pop them up the right way.
You know, we're drawing a big boy from when you start the channel.
Hmm?
When you go to sea from you start the channel.
No more go out there, you know.
You know, more buy a drone to carry out my line and my bait.
Me have drone, but me not try that shit.
So you not try that.
Drone too expensive. If you fly drone go way out of sea, go drop line. Suppose line mat up the drone.
No, if in time you kick off the reel where you can do that.
Yeah. You have the drone if you do that still in a different thing. That means you take out my juice and pull it for me. And my juice, sir? Pull it, no, pull it. You know dash your car? You dash your car? May I come? I get some refreshment, you know? Boom, boy. I must make you do that, you know. Our shallow Chris. Be a fish in the water. Now you hold this, man. Big mullet over here, saying up. Watch out. Watch out. No, and don't take the water. I see if I don't take up on him. You are saying you catch it creel, the young creel. What is no more on a barnet. Boy, I can't hide no, you know. Mark scratch them out. Oh, that mark on a crate.
The signal go back up in there. What? You see it now?
The same thing can get you up in there. You know, so you scrape him out.
Oh, my son. Beer, you almost spooky that. You see that? Beer, this spooky.
That one they gone, man.
That's it, man. That's it, man. That's a slip sometime, man. We can't burn again, man. Got zero beans on it.
You can try with it. Cinch it.
Wow. Watch it. Bombo flat.
Right, that's something I'll go back to you, know. Wash me.
One in there. big crusty one that in a youth.
Take it down.
Mark, how warm here?
Come on,
Be a Lego mark, a Lego jungle them, you know. Oh, me I go do that.
Fun.
Yeah, forget that now.
No, fun. Fun, the fun.
Oh, sorry. That's what I want to point to. Two clean out to get set. I have my own family.
First time you're going, and not even one crate.
Go on, somebody. Go on, somebody. No, my two over two, yes, that's good.
Pan.
Come now, brother. Wally come out a minute, man. I don't want to come set the thing there, I mean, brother. No much come out.
Hey, some blood clot
big
sitting
one.
jump up.
Fan cover full look while, you know. Telephone cover full look while. When I'm full look while, you know, man.
Sure, man. Man, I rake them out, you know, man.
Yeah, we have to take a portion tonight.
Get up, man. Light.
River Peoples. You know, it's my night tonight. So let's see that now, come. Let's see.
Them they move already, you know, not late.
No.
Too late.
You know,
Great.
you know, move stone and move already. The amount of blood not spooky come out there, so.
Later at night, get at them time, them come out in a game place.
When the things are them chip up, you know,
Later at a bit, and come out. All the fish them, sleep, the fish them and sleep. All healing, man. Buckler.
Yo! The man
Just
just
coming on the net, take over.
sit there. All if that stone and move them supposed to enough and that, you know. Where him depend? Fuck them flyer come from.
Yeah, man, the light. Some color, light. No, wall in it tie stone. Wall in it tie stone. Wall in it tie stone, brother. Just set the net, then can't come out back. What's buckler? Set the net, oh, me I set the thing, brother. Tell the thing joke me. Set the net up till they move it and I go block them. Just set the thing, see them here, so. Watch one spoke, yeah, plenty I go in there. Oh, do not. Oh, that's easy now, man. Don't lift it now, man. Wow, lifting it now. Watch spooky. Empty over there.
Over here.
Let them take up now. Let them take up, man. Let them take up now. Give me like over here. Me I rep the net and show you how I go on and I play the catcher. I want to see I play the catcher.
Yeah, that's a light.
Iron drip now. Wicked in a man.
Hold on, let me get rid of them flyer.
Go on, take up now.
I need to move a while ago.
You know, man, go and move it again. Shift it again. Look how bro, we're going to see what I'm doing. Yeah.
Make him come out. One big one going there now.
Come here, so go and set the net.
Yes, too. Go and set the net.
Go the net over here, so set the net to show them what I'm going to do.
Mark, I use it now.
Right.
After I just learn it. I just learn anything.
Bumbo class, it lick my foot, you know. I can't mold it.
See one go? No sir. Can't stay yourself with game face. You alone go on with them.
Gotcha. Jenga world, listen up. It's a create everything. Everything.
Go on, lift him.
Come over here.
Go on, empty it.
I'm just step them on. That's all. Yeah, that's all.
That's how the thing there, brother. Wall it there, brother. That's how the thing will land. Oh, done. Oh, come. Never really did this, so that I get none this on it.
Yeah, man.
Plenty. Right? Can't stop plenty spiggy. Can't stop pick up. Never expect them.
Go over the set the net right and set it.
Shine. Like I said, the whole light flying.
A lot more lucky after them go on, you know.
That's it off, man. Look at it now. I'm not going to go on, man. I'm turning it on back.
Only that never,
Put in your bucket.
only that never flying in.
Put Django in your bucket, brother. And I tell him when me done, man, I look my yard there. Take up your put in your bucket, see him here.
Carry.
Sonic music.
And me I bring it.
Django go and go in your bucket.
Yo, sorry I pass here, so.
Man, wait, that's already.
Watch out. Them.
Yeah, give me.
You see them there over there. Who are them one? Look alike.
Small, man.
I tell them so they're small. I eat small molecule.
Molly take foot, you know?
Just catch him there. Watch him. Wrong way you're setting it, boy. See him there?
What is a passing, brother? You're making pass. In there.
You know, no
I'm gone, left him.
What? In under, feed no one. Watch that now, brother. This can't work underneath bush. You have to know how to work underneath bush.
Mash it work underneath bush. Watch your mullet. Damage it. Watch your mullet gone back up there, so. See him back up there. A perch. See a perch, Mark. See a perch, Mark.
Brother, no.
Watch him swim come down here, so back. Watch him lick up in my foot.
My bomb rush it thing, that's why.
Big bumbo cloud perch in a youth.
That line.
A road marker take go up, come on, you know.
I said go. See it behind it. Oh, if you take road.
I mean, how to take road.
We're not going to look like a scabby, bro.
Scabby way.
Joke there.
You want to look like a scabby. You see you come off at one but one?
Big perch, you know, make get a bright for bill now.
For me?
Now
You humble, brother. No, brother, you humble. You don't know if you catch perch, so, brother. You humble.
Okay.
The perch never know where I'm go.
Come.
See it up. All I see for them.
Come on, Nando.
Two right in there.
Ah, come here.
Almost like here.
Anything you want.
It's food in there.
You go from there, me not catch a jungle. No yet.
Impossible.
Go.
Try to put them in there, Bob.
Chama. See that, guys? Oh, man. Yo!
Come class. Come out, now you can. Come class.
For the water, they go. Fun enough.
Oh, where you put the strap back down, you see?
Yeah, but
Oh.
You know about it.
Make it go and stay, no? No. No, man, I throw them out and take the picture, man. Not ready for that yet. Right now, me and Fred Bow want to find one bag to put over this.
Alright, you see it.
that's trying like blind. Easy, my brother. See me, brother.
Come like it, come down, you know, man. Lando, see what kind of bag that right there, sir? See it up? No, up there, sir. White bag there. But those son.
Put it over my kerchief then. Wash it in the water.
Hold this on each.
None. One. One day foot, one day foot. You throw it to your foot. Look over there, son. There now. Go and take with the pan. Go and take with the pan.
I don't know where you're trying to sit in like that, father.
Palm seed. And so I'm going to sit.
Jaja. Look at that.
I like the game. And they're too far, the corner. Remember, so I may catch her, you know, that means take the pan from under if you want to catch her, man. You know, look, you know, remember, me and catch. That's why I don't forget her from
Yeah, alright, grandfather.
work. Me I work, you know, you think I chicken, me I jerk.
No, man, them left sitting out as if dead.
The race goat, a very regular goat. Find the goat for the father.
We need kerchief again if I don't leave. Stop them on the
Come on, sir. Come on, sir. Try and put on a little put your soul. Drop the back now. Shine go on. Stick the juke up underneath us, you know. Alright. Wow. Look around it if you see nothing here. You want to stick the juke up underneath us. So, yo, one on it. Let me that light and look at it. Man, Chad get that style from. This a mash up.
Hold on, stick that.
You look after? Mine are bright like an next one.
The water now.
Boom, boom.
See what you do?
Short now, water.
Roll on. Turn it on. Oh, the man spot that.
I'm just saying, maybe these are blessings.
I dig off next to my bounce my foot. Shine the light again.
You can't put my hand.
Yeah, this cookie man from the store.
Them big one like a market, me like buy from you. Yeah, slide on.
One more?
Yeah.
Oh, easy, second boy. So last first spot me I'm going to clean.
I like this. Can't go back to the sea.
Turn up for you, help us.
It's a big fish there.
Over here. So, turn up. Come on.
See a kriya. One big kriya.
Alright, take it. I'm not going to let you in here. Shine the light in it, I'll start to move. Shine the light, see me. You want to feel it. Shine the light.
The fucking for going big enough.
Yeah, I know man, it's there somewhere. Shine the light in that water. As I tell you, too much on the can't surround the place, brother. Shine it over here. Too much on the can't surround the place. Rain are working all night, you know. we have a see clear, then we have to see.
Man, where the fuck him gone, brother? Him not pass nowhere, some man up on that stone him go.
Oh, me I tell you a regular thing that, brother. Shine come back. You know, you just have to go and fast. I'm not feeling, I'm not getting a pinch from him.
See him there?
Young one, this one.
Him young, yeah. Bigger one than that.
Alright, big one, you see. One that's small, young one that.
You all work to cut them for night, man.
What? Look on your share.
Come finger this. Crab.
No, see the crayfish.
Oh, just a see him. Bomba.
Come now, man.
Look at that.
Monster.
Fun. Him look like a him.
In that man. Turn over this. Hold this down. Your pan fire there. Your pan the fire.
How does the water come from?
Yeah, man, I jar the water and then drop it, we don't see what we do this.
Oh.
I saw them over
Yeah.
That's so crazy. Like them lazy.
Come on. Water pressure does drop in it. If you build a good one, nasty man.
Who them a back off?
Oh, what do you miss Balotelli, you know?
Today, boy called me say I took on a new one, but they didn't want me forward over there.
You want me to say some shit metal with me and dog and see. When they say game for spring chicken,
And I'm a follow also.
you want to jump in your party there, you know?
No,
You have a
sir.
party where I'm like,
Can't work with it.
Over here, sir.
Stone them slippery, watching a step.
you don't touch me. You want to jump around.
Fishman taking himself out of net.
Stone chip off pieces of different. This is here is this is falling. This is high enough.
Water can rub it on too.
That tell him
too far the pan, brother. Wherever too far the pan, so brother, every minute.
In gone.
Get you out of man. So I'm saying go far the pan, the too much space, you know. Come. Jump out.
This was a healing.
Huh?
This was the healing. This was healing.
Mm-hmm.
Nyan mang little.
London no one in line point. Wow, watch my pan, yeah? Tell her anyway, yeah, the river is a jungle pitch in that. Yeah,
Some
pan.
food take out on a trade.
Take out those two.
Your price that.
Back the weight this one. And more catch goal if still you get a fish. Catch couple fish. Couple one. Tomorrow morning can't be released when we go river, you know. I know. And them say night. So you know, so night for night. Or day. Come. I'm going down with the river, you know.
Water
Bing.
good amount take it.
Just done, you know, just start boom, create. And the way I go, brother. And I shift down and touch me. Yeah, every dip smoky coming on it.
So, make him feel there now. You give her back up then. Burn out.
It's back up. Terribly, you know.
Only for food. I think some coke down there. You know what them supposed to do? I'm just trying to carry drive fast.
One in there, not Michi.
So, what's on there?
You know, say Lego crew younger a while ago.
Yeah.
Hey, set the net. Tell him to set the net for all of you.
Catch him. I don't like you, I'm so fun. Yeah, wait till morning. Yeah, wait till morning, man.
Me? No, no reason for it. You know, wait for the month here, brother. So that I'm sending the bill, just so I go and see me for a week for next week.
Oh.
Sure.
Bring that over there. Anytime you get cold. Anytime it's cold. That's up here on the pineapple. Big one, the flick. Here, look how I know. There we go, that's it.
That's where it is from.
I can stay for we throw him out, man. We throw him out and see them. Take a picture of them.
I think that's so where plants are moving so easy. Set the net right, that one, that one.
Where is it?
That one, oh yes.
So we don't move that one first.
No, that one is can't move.
No, set it back now, brother.
One light to the pan, you know.
So can hold on here? Nah, go
No, man.
Okay, nah,
Like, no, you have me a fret with the next light right now.
Light,
40,000 that, you know.
dead.
Lock off. Me I hope I dead it dead. Eh?
Long time it a work, you know.
If I activate a comment, you see some bomb back here, you know.
You know, you don't have to tell me. Run fat.
See that?
Watch the baby spooky. Breathe them up, breathe.
Watch out.
Spooky for
Force me
days.
see this.
Yeah, man, spooky for days,
Force
man.
me see this. Be a spooky this, you know.
Spooky for days, man.
How you do you?
That man want that, brother.
First, me see this. Let me a Jenga, you know. Baby Jenga, you know. Baby spooky, you know. Baby them.
Jumping.
Just man.
Soon you can catch you now. And them get big.
And river just come down and them a breed up so much already.
Don't say a big fish out now.
Shine a light.
Back up down here. See that? You can back up your river and look.
I'm all it that man.
All it is.
The man go back up in a mark, you know. See there, look.
That slide me outside there, can't go look. Where that slide? Come granny, you stand up.
Fun.
Fun. We are back.
Spread out there, Curry my own level. And I sit down with things and pick up the meat.
Inside that.
What am I saying?
Mark a crane, you know. Yo. No make no difference. Where you can see a frog spread out.
So you go book the board and take your time now. You have one to shoot. Shanty now. So you take it and just pile up in a deep spot.
Wait, don't go, don't go. Mad old sting that to the pan.
Big money, let me big net. Come get it, big net, quick now.
Go on. Go on.
Watch it. Go for him.
Give me net, boy.
You will see my flock over there, man. You mean there, no? Oh, buckler. Dinosaur.
Big one, man.
Stop me, watch. Oh, frog.
Frog, man. Try that one there.
Not my fault, brother.
You can't pay him for cooking, you know.
You can do it, you can do it for free.
Yeah, brother.
Go on there. Yeah, a crane. Big your fork. Hey, see that? You get fucked, man. You get fucked.
Forget you, mad man.
Yeah, mad, you're dead.
You know what me number?
Look at that, guys. Look at that monster right there.
Me, I tell us I feel crazy now. I tell us I feel crazy now. I feel crazy different. I know when crazy lick my foot different, you know.
We say, boy, come out time more, Mark.
I'm so innocent, I'm so last time I see him out, take one and fling up. Trying to walk. Come in a deep part over here, sir. Don't go to the water.
Look at the manual section.
Voilà. A big light did one in 4 piastres, you know. Yeah.
You see it, big light for your place here.
Oh, that.
Watch out, watch out.
Big mullet, man.
A perch for molly.
Come in like that. Not on circle.
Give me something.
What? Mesh?
Line up this thing. Look at it.
Shall I? Give me.
You forget like.
Yeah, come. I'm not going.
Red boy, man.
Yeah?
Red boy, man.
No, clear with them. Walk on the foot.
Yeah, is that a string that we're going to do?
Where mesh?
Wanna leave my mesh?
What the mesh?
I'm not giving me issue next to the car. They're
All
like
the
two.
same.
They're man go left the next part. Yes, yes, look at that. Okay. Okay, right. See you. Kinda like it. Kinda like it. Can't go well.
Fun. Come now, brother.
Play ball. Come put the lip on and go for now.
No light, no light.
Wait up now.
sun gone up. It might look like bright this outside. I didn't come over. Because I look to stick and tuck in Monday. Eh? Look over this one and still look to stick, man. So you broke water pressure, man. Water running, man. Yeah. I know more than them. I'm not seeing nothing more. Two more. Yeah, I'm seeing nothing. Two more. One more coming. Oh. Nice size, I know. When it there. Come round as I can run him. Come buckler in there.
Him gone in there. You never see him gone in there.
You see him come down, man.
Kick off 5 minutes and go zoop.
Got big, you know.
Kill him.
I have a squeeze him more and jump out, man. All this.
Take everything for man.
Over here.
Buckler! One spinner. One two. Look like him bigger than that.
Yo, give me. I'm not there, sir.
One in, man. Buckler. nice size again.
Go with the mesh. Back up, mesh. Back up.
When they not come to
No, I'm not come out.
Lord, Lord. As somebody boxing back in there. I come in and neck, you know.
No, man. What that?
Well, I stick that, brother.
It's stone.
Fuck it, none there, though. Turn the light. I don't care how long I black the neck, black the light there, brother.
Okay.
Bumbo, please.
You catch him. You get catch.
Yeah, I'm gonna let my brother. La. Bright, I want to see the phone light can't help me, that bright light have to make help me.
Yeah, adjust the phone, brother.
Oh. My phone light now help me charge.
Think the phone like a video.
Yeah, I mean,
Oh? Like I get dull, you know. You know what that means?
Put it to get done. Get on a good occasion.
Bumbo cloud.
Alright, I said strap me that does grip. Come let me there right spot, cause I better get it. Like.
Yeah, that pussy there in a bucket same time. Lick him in a bucket. I run, man.
I'm in there. You're catching me out. Good catch.
Sound like. Blind me in a game place, man. I can't blind you with the light, man. Nice out.
Maybe.
you set the net there now. Well, I'm telling you, set the net the next week. And I say you have to set it down there. Like game face. I'm sure I'll go on and test it. Use my crate. Come. Set the net.
Oh, freaking out.
Light up. Only light up. All right. Round the light.
Yeah.
Something like this. That's how you go, you know, so you have to make sure you see the foot in the corner of the other. Pump side here, what you have to do.
You see, you know, no light, I tell you.
No, that's why I said give me some money to you, mate. Yeah, alright, this is the kind of look at the fish. Big boy there now, son. Shine the light. And so on, bro.
Yeah, man. Over there, sit in there. Don't get young as the man. I'm gonna read.
Yeah, sorry, man. Give me that there.
Yeah, it's alright.
Light up.
I'm gonna see him pass the gate.
Shine top up with this one. That's a create up in here, I look upon there.
Where big one them there?
Let's go and wash them out, man. Feel sunny night here, man. We're going to get them out one day. 4 o'clock, let's go wash out the sun. When I do start down the sun, man. You alright with the sun?
Good and no man.
I understand the gun. Pour them back.
Water and I bucket. Full water. Next side here.
Pull the light up. Yeah, man. Yeah, catch him.
Yo, see one there for you.
much clear?
Four. You see them?
I'm on the game face.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, nice boy.
Man, nice big boy, you know.
For me, if I use GoPro dead.
That is it.
Right,
What you preacher? What you preacher?
Now no put him there upon the rocks in field, man.
Yeah, that is it.
That
Show
is
them,
it, man.
man.
Next perch, none.
Put it on me.
Next perch.
This one.
See this in
Yeah,
Put the
perch
finger
and no perch.
Yeah, man, that is it, you know, guys. One more banger, you know. So may I ask you for like, share, and subscribe. You're so good with it. You know, the night, yeah. We
The
to catch
rain
them
Joe.
fully, you know. How much crate have we catch? About 4.
Four of them we
Four
grab, man. I
nice
don't
giant.
throw.
And Wally,
Dead cow, you know.
a Janga, you see what I say? Yeah, man, I just like them, man.
A rain just
Active.
come down.
See, catch her, yeah?
Active.
You catch her, sir.
Outside, man, active. No.
See the bucket there?
Well,
Half
do it.
bucket, you know. And
Well,
guess
do
what?
it, people.
You see them here? Another Anky Panky Janga them, you know. What you call it? Like a camouflage shrimp them, you know. Them here the original shrimp. And that's what the thing there.
One
Yeah, man, so
spooky.
we just a come and fight. And I go head in, you know. You see it? So catch you in the back for the next one. You see me?
Where big one them there?
Let's go and wash them out, man. Feel sunny night, see me. Let's go and take them out one day. 4 o'clock, let's go and wash out the sun. When I do start down the sun, dog. You alright with the sun?
Good and no man.
I understand the gun. Throw them
Go
back.
out there and I bucket.
Full go out there.
Come back up, also. Yeah, I do it next side here.
Full of light up there. Yeah, man.
So on there, I'm going to
Yeah, catch him.
put in a...
Yo, see one there for you.
How much clear?
Four.
of them.
You see them?
I'm on the game face.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, nice boy.
Man, nice big boy, you know.
For me, if I use GoPro dead.
That is it.
Right, upon
What you
them.
preacher? What you preacher?
Perch. Now no put him there upon the rocks in field, man.
Yeah, that is it.
That
Show
is
them,
it, man.
man.
Next perch, none.
Put it on me.
Next perch.
This one.
See this in?
Yeah,
Put the
perch
finger
and no perch.
Yeah, man, that is it, you know, guys. One more banger, you know. So may I ask you for like, share, and subscribe. You're so good with it. You know, the night, yeah. We
The
to catch
rain
them
Joe.
fully, you know. How much crate have we catch? About 4.
4 of them we
Four
grab, man. I
nice
don't throw.
giant. And Wally,
Dead cow, you know.
a Janga, you see what I say? Yeah, man, I just like them, man.
A rain just
Active.
come down.
See, catch her, yeah?
Active.
You catch her, sir.
Outside, man, active. No.
That
See
is
the
it.
bucket there?
Well,
Half
do it.
bucket, you know. And
Well,
guess
do
what?
it, people.
You see them here? Another Anky Panky Janga them, you know. What you call it? Like a camouflage shrimp them, you know. Them here the original shrimp. And that's what the thing there.
One
Yeah, man, so
spooky.
we just a come and fight. And I go head in, you know. You see it? So catch you in the back on the next one, you see me?